Okay, so Carol, you came to us at Arbor Springs, and I noticed that in your chart you had a history of bilateral knee osteoarthritis. So that's what was causing you difficulty in pain and stability issues.
I mean, this time I was in my 70s.
Right.
So I'm not getting to be any younger. I'm not going to be 20 again.
Right.
So it's only going to get worse.
Yeah. So the therapist in physical therapy and occupational therapy wanted me to see you, and you were having a lot of pain, a lot of swelling in the knees.
Yeah,
working
very bad.
And we decided to do the steroid injection. Did both knees. Swelling so much better.
Now they did the first two in the ER.
You used to have them before, and you had good success.
Yeah.
So yes, we decided let's try it again.
So the doctor in the ER gave me a shot, and a shot, and a shot, and a shot.
Mm-hmm.
And said in 3 months you need another one in each knee.
Because they wear off. So
Yeah.
but yeah, it's doing a lot better, and you're working really well. I've been looking at your therapy notes, and they're happy with your progress, and you seem a lot better. So.
Yeah. So they put it on my chart that in 3 months, 2 more months, I would need another 2 shots and 2 shots. And my great PT girl ordered it from wherever city she had ordered from, and they sent it. And then when it came in, they gave me another 2 shots and 2 shots, and they have me down for another 2 more months to have it again on my chart. So we're keeping up with it. We're going to keep up with it. And when you're looking around for places that will take care of me, and your name came up from somebody who was very happy here, and it sounded like a place where they cared. I mean, only about 3 years ago, it's not like I've been suffering for 10 years with it.
And then you ended up doing the therapy and having difficulties with the knee pain.
Yeah, I had terrible knee pain, so I was doing physical therapy and occupational therapy.
Yeah.
And when I do something, I do it all the way, good or bad. No pain.
And you're sleeping better, you said.
Well, she also gave me a little boost.
Little hydrocodone, so dose, low station antacid.
I said the injections. I can stand up, my legs straighten up, my whole frame straightens up, and my legs aren't killing me.
Well, then work on the terrible.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, good.
You know, I want to be able to get on standing for a longer period of time.
Yes.
I want to be able to go into my closet and go out and get some stuff on the shelf. Yeah, stand and brush my teeth. These simple things of life that you don't really think about until you get to it.
For granted.
Yeah, you can't do it. And so I want to be able to have it last longer at the time. Yeah, but there are certain rules in how to stand. And I say them out loud so that I don't forget any. Yeah. So if you find them amusing, I'm sorry, but this is how I do.
I'm sorry, you do it. I'm going to probably take this out.